The Powerpuff Girls were born! Using their ultra superpowers, Blossom, Bubbles, Buttercup have dedicated their lives to fighting and the forces of evil.
Guys, that's how you achieve, or how I achieved this Glam Blossom from Powerpuff Girls. Usually I don't wear long eyelashes or put white under my waterline, but since it's a glam, I'm doing this. And of course I do want to tell you guys how you could, manage to get your hands on this, how you can make your own cosplay. So this red bow, I got it at the mall. I believe it was like $2. This orange wig, I bought it off at Aliexpress. I believe it was like 10 bucks. In between there, I am not sure. Eyelashes, these I got them as a gift. And how I made this cosplay, which I'll show you. I don't want to go down too low, but that's it. And of course I am not wearing my white tights, but the white tights I got it off at AliExpress as well for, I believe, $2. And this dress, this hot pink dress, is from H&M, which I got it for around 10 bucks. The black part here was a shirt that I purchased at H&M. I just cut it, measured it, and made it into a belt and just attached it. So I sew it up, and yeah, that's how I made this Blossom cosplay. My first wig from AliExpress was this one too, the same color. I just cut bangs, but the bangs, I fucked them up, so I bought a new one. And yeah, oh yeah, I'm wearing a wig cap, but it's like falling off because it's not properly attached, you know, it's just for this video. And yeah, so yeah, I'll be making more cosplay videos. I'll be showing you guys and telling you guys how I make my cosplay outfits. Some I do purchase them, you know, if it's like something I can't really do, I'll just buy it full completely, and of course I'll give credit to the company and whoever it's from. Otherwise, on my Instagram, I do basically say where they're from. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned.